Have you ever wondered how a healing garden could transform your well-being? A healing garden is not just a beautiful space filled with plants. It's a serene oasis that fosters a sense of calm and relaxation. It's a sanctuary designed to enhance one's physical and mental health. The gentle rustling of leaves, the scent of blooming flowers, the soft touch of grass underfoot. All these elements work together to rejuvenate the body and refresh the mind. Now that we understand why a healing garden is beneficial, let's delve into how to design one. Designing a healing garden is a simple process that anyone can undertake. It all begins with choosing the right location. Look for a spot that gets plenty of sunlight and has good soil for planting. Next, it's time to select the plants. Consider plants with known healing properties, such as lavender for relaxation, chamomile for soothing nerves, and rosemary for memory enhancement. Don't forget to add some vibrant flowers to uplift your mood. Then it's time to create a layout. Design it in a way that promotes relaxation. Perhaps a winding path leading to a quiet seating area or a small pond to encourage reflection. Finally, maintaining the garden is key for continuous growth and healing. Regular watering, pruning, and adding compost will ensure your plants thrive. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating a healing sanctuary right in your backyard. It's thrilling to think that a personal oasis of tranquility and healing could be just a few steps away, isn't it? Imagine the joy and sheer satisfaction of nurturing your own plants, watching them grow, and benefiting from their healing properties. It's not just about creating a beautiful space, but a sanctuary that fosters well-being. Remember, every garden begins with a single seed. So why not plant yours today? And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening advice and inspiration. Happy gardening!